Hello guys, we will show you how to use LARIS software. First, make sure you have installed the LARIS software from the Chrome Web Store, and then please open the Line official account website. Select your account and don't forget to go into the chat room. After that, click the LARIS software here. Here we go. We will show you how to do a basic usage. Now we will send some message that contains some text and one image. Let's make like this. You can type your message here and then press enter on your keyboard like that. So make sure your message is going in here. Okay, let's try to add some file here. One file. So the broadcast will send 4 messages with 3 texts and 1 image. This is a text bubble. Each row contains 1 bubble. So now we will send 4 bubble into the broadcast. If you're ready, click start broadcast. As you can see now, we will send to 4 users like this. You can pause the broadcast. Okay, we are done. Let's see the results. Okay, like that. 4 bubbles of message. Okay, that's it. See you guys next time.